Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you how to create a wedding invite for A5, A4, A3 and A0 sizes, pretty much all the same, but to do so you just basically follow the same process. So I'll show this, probably try and keep this under 10 minutes just to show you. So what you want to do when you start up, just go create design, and then from the search just go A5, I reckon. Well, this is the size that I'll do, but if you want to do something bigger you can. A4, A0, I'm pretty sure A0 is up here as well. No, if you're doing A0 you just have to create a new design and just search up the size and type in a custom size, but for this example I'm just going to do A5. So it's got it here. I'll just click A5 document and then Canva will create one. What I'm going to do is rename the file. I'm just going to call it A5 wedding. Cool. And we're just going to have one canvas because we can maybe add a separate if we want to do double-sided. So when we export the PDF, we can export both pages as front and rear. So if you really want to, you can name this as front and rear, just to make it easier. We'll set up the file to make it a bit quicker. Okay, all you want to do, depending on what look you're sort of after or what you kind of want as a color scheme, I would say go over to design. If you look in templates, just literally in the search bar, just go bang, hit wedding. And then this is where you can kind of pick and choose from hundreds of thousands of templates that Canva gives you to suit an A5 square design. There are a few that match the arch design, but depending on your printer, they'll probably have to crop it or die cut it depending on if you actually want that arch style. For this example, we're going to do like the standard name and then details at the bottom with that cursive writing. We'll do like a minimal style. So literally just hit that, and then Canva will populate your canvas with all this text ready to go, ready to edit. Punch in your dates and details as you wish, and you can change your fonts as you wish as well. Template style, if you click into this, you can kind of shuffle the way that you want this to appear, but the way that I usually do this is just get out and just change colors or do things as I wish. So for example, we'll just make this a single side A5. Say this is going to be printed on like matte photo paper, nice and polished. Yeah, we can literally just go in, edit text. Maybe we don't want wedding celebration, we can just go at their wedding and then obviously change the date. And then you can just do reception to follow. If you want to add another page, you can add a rear page, but basically that's how you kind of do it. There are a lot more to pick from on Canva, and I would encourage you to use different keywords to actually find what you're looking for. Whether you're after Indian, I really like this style, like minimal, left or right aligned, and then the dates are maybe like a simple graphic. I've definitely used that in the past, and I would probably suggest something like that. It's a bit more nicer, a bit more clean, I think. So you can make a few examples, add a new page. I really like the look of that one up the top there. This one here. And then obviously you can pick and choose, you can edit your text. You can change its color, that sort of thing. I'll add in one more. I really love this style. So you can see Canva keeps now, it's pumping out the templates that are similar to what I've already clicked on. Love that dark grey sort of vibe as well if you want to go for something a bit darker. Okay, I think I have a bit enough idea as to what to go for. So what I'll do is I'll probably just pick and choose this one here. This is a bit of a food menu, so you can obviously pick and choose and edit this as you wish. Just go bang, we'll make a new menu. Sorry, I won't use that version here. I'll do this version here. No, okay. I'll just maybe, I do like that version and this version. There was one more that I saw here which looked quite nice. Oh, that's nice. So you don't like the black color scheme. I would go for like a nice like forest green. That's like a cool little color, and then print it off, and then like it will look nice with like gold, like on a gold board, like spray paint the board. Get it from a stationery store, and then have this with like a floral arrangement on the left and right as well on an easel. That's really, really nice. So I'll just change this font. I don't like this font. I'll probably use something like Montserrat for body text. Yeah, it looks a little bit nice. And I'll probably use like a regular or a medium. And then what I'll do here is just increase the letter spacing to make it a little bit more nicer. If you don't like the ring graphic in the background, you can change this, and I would search in your elements panel, just go outline, just go leaf or something. So this is where now Canva can give you all these options to add in. Click on an element you like and it'll give you options for that. So hit this and then there you go. Plenty to choose from. This is a pro Canva account, so just keep that in mind. Excuse me. Sorry, a bit of a sneeze there. If you're not happy with this text as well, you can adjust it, you can shift it. If you really want to change the way this text looks, you can left align it. Position, left align, maybe bump it up to you, kind of what you want to do. You can lower the transparency of an object, so kind of it's sitting there in the background. Just be mindful of where these objects are. Maybe David, you can go there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just for demonstration purposes, we'll probably just get rid of the, we'll pop in the ampersand just for demonstration purposes. So you've got all your information there and you're ready to go. You've made a few examples. Say we like this one, page 4, go share, download. I would always suggest PDF for print, not standard, because print will automatically change it to CMYK. If you haven't done so already, do CMYK. Page 4, crop marks and bleed. Make sure that is always selected for your printer. Say for example you get it printed off at Officeworks or something, they'll probably want like 3mm crop. You can increase this, pretty sure, in your settings here. I'm pretty sure it's in your margins. No, rulers and guides. Yeah, don't worry too much about it, but yeah, by default Canva will export it as 3mm crop, bleed with crop marks. Just do that. You'll be pretty good, and you won't need really anything else. Crop marks, don't flatten, don't include notes, just download it. And once you're ready, so that is literally your print ready A5 invite ready to go. So it will be guillotined, you can print off 50 of them. If you want specific types of printing, just pick and choose. This would go nice on like a matte quality paper, nice glossy green or matte green. It would look really, really nice. Some gold, arrange it with the floral arrangement, and you're sweet. Alright, so hopefully that's helpful. Use Canva's editing tools and all the elements you have in recommendations and the design template as well. Keep having a look, and there's a website that I've used, which is called Peppermint Press. A lot of cool stuff in here. It's an Australian-based company, but I'm dropping a bit of a gem here and say I get a lot of inspiration from these guys here. So have a look and yeah, tell me what you think. If you've got any questions, need help, or if you need me to design one for you, just let me know. Leave a comment in the description, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. All right, thanks.